Hey guys, so it is the 15th of June, 5:12 p.m. And yeah, so English and physics done. And before I panic about math and Latin, let's talk about what happened. So for English, it was actually pretty good. So my tutor did predict it 100% correctly. I was like, okay, yeah, he's like, oh yeah, it's gonna be about like this kind of question. And it was exactly that question. So, I maybe should have asked him more about it then, but oh well. I think I was able to adapt it on time. Like I finished like 10 seconds before the timer ran out, I think, or for even 5 seconds. I ended it so quickly and so tightly. And not only that, I finished with like the last, because they gave us around 10 and a half, 11 pages, right? I wrote it all the way to the end, which is crazy. Because obviously I didn't think I'd be able to write that much, but oh well, I guess writing obsessively for, I think I wrote 60 pages, it does help you. So yeah. But the one thing I'm scared about for English is how quote unquote easy it was by other people. Because when I walked out of the exam room, I heard a lot of people say, oh, that was easy. Oh, thank God I memorized my essay exactly to this question, like to this style of question. Like one of my friends was like, oh yeah, like I wrote my base essay on this kind of topic. And the fact that, this question was about it, that means I did not have to change it at all. Which is like, okay. Well, good for you, I guess. So I hope I did answer the question, because like this, like, I don't know if there's a term for this. I'm naming it like what, like is it post-exam delirium? I don't know. I made that term up. Basically, it's like oh, I think I did so well, and then when the results like after the exam, and then the results come, it's like why did I think that? Like I would be writing 2 + 2 = 5 in the exam, be like, that makes sense. And then after the exam, I'm like, yes, I full mark the exam. And then it comes back to me like, okay, well, I'm clearly not stupid. Why did I write that down? I don't know. It could be that. That was the thing with 1984. Hopefully that doesn't repeat. But anyway, English is over. The biggest stress is over. Now into physics. Where to begin? The physics exam was way too easy, and I'm not saying this as like, I'm so smart. I'm saying and forgive me, the person whom I'm speaking about. But yeah, he's not good at physics, but even he found it ridiculously easy, and I've heard that from almost everyone. Everyone found it easy. Everyone thought that the questions were just stupid, right? And that's really anxiety inducing, I would say, because not only is it like, okay, well, possibility one is that every single question just had some kind of trap to it, and then they like hid like a specific word in between, like in the subtext, that's like, if you didn't get it, then sorry, automatic 0, and then I come back crying with a 0 out of 20. The other option is that it is just that easy, and that's honestly the worst one, because if it's that easy, that means the standard deviation is going to be incredibly small and tight, and that means that losing 1 mark would mean dropping down like 50 ranks, and I am already in a position where it's like, okay, well, I'm getting close to average. I am above average, but not that much. So if I were to drop down a couple marks, I would be in the bottom like 30. I'm not even kidding. And another problem I have is like, unlike math, where it's like it's okay to make mistakes because math is worth basically nothing. This one is actually worth something. So the fact that I made it like something that's actually worth a decent amount of points just so dead easy is scary. But anyway, Hey guys, so it's currently 7:01. I'll make it quick because I don't have much time. I'm just gonna alternate between doing math and Latin. So I think I'll probably get one Latin done, and then the rest will be spent on math because I do need to get into math. So let's begin. Hey guys, so it's currently 8:28, and I've decided to end it here. So I was obviously recording my Latin. As you can see, I spent around 30 minutes on math and then an hour on Latin, which is very wise of me, seeing that math is tomorrow and Latin is on Wednesday. Okay. Oh, we love the timing. But honestly, though, I was looking at all the past. You probably saw that I wasn't writing a whole much because I was looking at the past papers, and my God, they are useless. I feel like there's this problem. There's this thing where it's like all the previous years seem to have such easy, brain dead papers. And then ours is going to be ridiculously hard because following the trend in task 1 and task 2, my year's paper was so much harder than last year's. So obviously, like, last year wasn't too bad. This year is going to be horrible. And how do I prepare for that? It's like, okay, well, here are the practice questions I'm going to give you. What is 1 plus 1? What is 2 plus 2? All right, now solve one of the 7 unsolvable questions. Right? It's like, what am I supposed to do? But nothing, right? And I was also asking my my math tutor for help, and he I didn't kill it, and he gave me this question, which is very similar to this to the problem that my teacher gave me, but whatever. So yeah, I guess that's it. Cheat sheet done, a little bit of Latin, a tiny bit of math. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll do my exam. I'll come back and I'll just hyperfixate on Latin, I guess. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.